This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. The first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app. It should be pre-installed with the system itself, unless you have manually uninstalled it for some reason. So let me check. Yep, I do not have it, so let's quickly download the app from the Play Store. It is free and a relatively lightweight application, so it should not take a lot of time at all. So let's launch the app once it is ready to be launched. Now I gotta quickly delete the previous documents that I have. Anyway, so once you have successfully launched the Google Drive, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right. Then choose the scan option from this menu. Allow Google Drive to have the camera access. And then take a photo of your real-life document you wanted to make the scan out of. Then hit the OK button. And the following interface allows you to edit your document. So you can change its color scheme. You can rotate it like that, or frame the part of the original photo you would like to result in the PDF file. So as you can see, mine document was cropped incorrectly, so I will manually edit the framing, making sure that all actual text that matters will be included into the final result. Then hit the save button from here. You can also rename the file if you want to. Hit the save button one last time. And here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.